The problem is A is a square matrix of order 2, that is A is a 2 by 2 matrix, such that A into 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 2 and A squared into 1 minus 1 equal to 1 0. The sum and product of elements of A are respectively S and P, then S plus P. So S is the sum of all entries in A and P is the sum of all entries in A. Then we need to calculate what is S plus P. Okay, here the matrix A is unknown, but we know that A is a 2 by 2 matrix. So let us take the matrix A as A is equal to sum A, B, C, D. Okay, given that A into 1 minus 1 is minus 1, 2. So A is the matrix A, B, C, D into 1 minus 1, and that will gives us minus 1, 2. From this we will get two equations. First row into first column will be A minus B. So A minus B will be equal to minus 1 and C minus D will be equal to 2. Okay, let it be equation numbers 1 and 2. Moving on, again given that A squared into 1 minus 1 equal to 1 0. So let us write A squared into 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 0. If I try to find A squared, the entries in the A squared will be variables and it will be complicated to deal with. So let us write this A squared as A into A. So this becomes A into 1 minus 1 will be equal to 1 0. Now what is A into 1 minus 1? It is given that A into 1 minus 1 is minus 1 2. So we can replace this A into 1 minus 1 as, so A into remaining will be equal to minus 1 2 and that will be equal to 1 0. Substituting the values of A is the matrix A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D into minus 1 2 and that is equal to 1 0. Again we will get two equations from here. First row into first column gives minus A plus 2B is equal to 1 and minus C plus 2D is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 3 and 4. Now we can solve all the four equations. From 1 and 3 we can find the value of A and B. So adding 1 and 3, A gets cancelled and we will get B is equal to 0. So substituting the value of B here, we get A is equal to minus 1. Again adding the second equation and fourth equation, C get cancelled and we get D is equal to 2. Substituting the value of D here, it becomes C minus 2 will be equal to 2, which implies C is equal to 4. So the values of A, B, C, D are minus 1, 0, 4 and 2. So the sum of the entries in A is given by S. So S will be sum of all these entries and that will be equal to 5. And P is the product of all these entries. Since B is 0, the product becomes 0. We need to calculate the value of S plus P. So S plus P will be equal to 5 plus 0, that will be equal to 5. So the correct solution is sum of S plus P is 5. So the correct option is option D.